Okay, today I decided to start this module as well. Uh, this is for an Excel AS for the mathematics students. There are few more parts, but here I'm discussing for the pure mathematics one, pure mathematics, right? And the first question will be discussed here, right? So part by part, I hope to discuss likewise. Right, okay, somehow no need to talk too much. We will go to the question. Uh, we also do this with the help of Simpson rule, right? Simpson rule. Simpson rule. mm, it's nothing else. Yeah. Uh, Handling these tools is harder than everything. Right, okay. Somehow, Simpson rule is a method which is used to compute the area under a particular function within given boundaries approximately. This is we can let it be pretty close to the exact value, but it's an approximation because let's say there is a graph like this, there is a function like that. So we want to find out the area under the curve between these two boundaries, right? This is x and this is y, right? This is x node and this is x1, right? So the uh, area under the curve must be found out. Area under the curve must be found out. F of x. We call this function as f of x, right? So this is what we want to do, right? With the help of Simpson rule, approximate this area. This area can be found out approximately delta x over 3 times I'll discuss what are these parameters I have assigned, right? Uh, so 4 times 1 plus 2 times 1. We asked to maintain, we asked to pick only 4 intervals, right? Plus 4 times y3 plus 2 times, yeah, it's 4 intervals 1, 2, 3, 4, right? It will be ended up with this one, right? It's y4. Right, okay. It's nothing else. There is a table. You want to find out all these corresponding values. First of all, what you want to do is the upper boundary is 2 and the lower boundary is 0.4. Then you want to get the subtraction between these two, right? Then it's 1.6. It's 1.6. Then we want to find out the interval, right? We asked to get 4 intervals, right? We want to find out the length of the interval, right? Uh, 1.6 is divided by 4 in order to find out the length of the interval. It is given by delta x. So you want to increment it by your increment by 0.4, right? So my first coordinate, first x value may be 0.4, and the other one may be 0.8, 0.8, then 1.2, 1.6, and 2, right? Likewise, it is ended up with 2, right? And it started with 0.4. These are x values, and these are y values. Y values must be found out. Y equals e to the power x square. Using your calculator, you can type it on your calculator, and you can click on calc button to in order to change these x values. Then corresponding y values can be found out. Then you can substitute on this equation. This is derived with the help of Simpson's rule, right? I'll show the derivation on another video. For now, you can get these values. This is sorry. Um, I'm not familiar with these tools. This is y0 and this is y1, y2, likewise y3, y4, right? Then you can substitute all the relevant values you have found out, right? And you can substitute on this one, and you can find out the area approximately. And using calculator, there is an integral sign. You can make sure whether your answer is correct or not. You can enter 0.4 as the lower bound and as the upper bound, and this is the function can be assigned. Then click on equal sign. You can find out the answer is pretty close. They are pretty close, but they will not be equal with each other because there is in Simpson rule there is an approximation. So I think in another video session I'll explain how to derive this Simpson rule. It takes a little bit time to derive it. The approximation is we try to fit a couple of parabolas. Couple of parabolas means in this case we are asked to maintain 4 intervals. In order to maintain 4 intervals, we will fit 4 best fitted parabolas. We will split this into 4 equal parts. Let me show it. We will split this into 4 equal parts. Then best fitted parabolas may be found out. They are best fitted parabolas, right? They will not overlap with, they will not be coincided with the desired function what we have taken, right? If they are overlapping, it will help us to find out the exact region, but they are not, right? So using this approximation, we have found out the area. Also, they may not be equal, but it's pretty close to the real value. So that's a numerical method. When we maintain a high number of intervals, we can tend up to the actual value. There is a tendency only, but they will not meet, right? Okay, hope you will get an idea about this question. So likewise, I hope to discuss all these questions, right? Okay, for now, thank you. See you later, right?